Greetings! In this video, we'll be going over how to add a product you want to sell. To list a new product, simply log in your Seller Central account, click the Inventory tab, and scroll down to Add a Product. You then input the ASIN or UPC code for that product. Every product will have a UPC code and an ASIN. It is basically a code that identifies each product. You can find this on the product page on Amazon by going to the product and doing Control F and typing in ASIN or UPC code. So say you want to sell a Colgate product, simply go to Amazon, type in Colgate, and click on the product. You then can do Control F, type in ASIN or UPC, and it will take you directly there. You then can copy and paste it back into the search box. The product will populate down here, and you simply click on Listing Limitations Apply, click on Request Approval, click on Request Approval again, and then you may need to submit an invoice of 10 units or more to get ungated. Gated means you are unable to sell a product without approval. To get approval, you either submit an invoice of 10 units or more, or hire an ungating service such as The Funnel Guru. The Funnel Guru is a highly reputable company that specializes in getting people ungated to sell products on Amazon. I personally use them to get ungated in the toy category. You can get ungated in most things yourselves with invoices, but sometimes you need more than just an invoice, and it may be beneficial to just use the Funnel Guru to do it for you to save you time and headache. Again, they are an extremely reputable company, and I have never heard anything bad about them.